Most people aren't broke because they don't earn enough. They're broke because of what they do with what they earn. And the painful truth is, nobody ever taught them differently. Let's change that right now. Reason number 1, they spend before they save. Most people get paid, pay bills, buy what they want, then save whatever is left. Usually, nothing. Wealthy people do the opposite. They save first, invest first, and live on the rest. That's paying yourself first. Flip the order, and everything changes. Reason number 2, they have zero financial education. School teaches history, biology, and math, but not how money works. Nobody explains compound interest, taxes, inflation, or investing. So people graduate, get a job, and repeat the same broke patterns they grew up around. Financial literacy is the most valuable subject that was never taught. Reason number 3, lifestyle inflation. Every raise turns into higher expenses. Bigger apartment, newer car, more subscriptions, more eating out. Income rises, but savings stay at zero. The goal is not to look rich. The goal is to be rich. Those are very different things. Reason number 4, they have no emergency fund. One surprise bill, like a broken car, medical expense, or job loss, can collapse everything. Without an emergency fund, progress gets wiped out fast. 3 to 6 months of expenses in a separate account is what separates financially stable people from everyone else. Reason number 5, they wait for the perfect moment. They'll invest when the market is better, save when they earn more, fix things next month. But next month never comes. Every year you delay investing is a year of compound interest you never get back. The good news? Every one of these is fixable. Start with 1. Pay yourself first, build your emergency fund, invest something every month. The gap between broke and financially free isn't luck. It's habits. And habits can change today. Subscribe for weekly videos. No jargon, just clear insights you can actually use. See you next week.